What if one of Volkswagen's most iconic classic cars suddenly returned, but redesigned for the modern era? Imagine a sleek fastback coupe, retro round headlights, a minimalist German interior, and modern turbocharged performance. Well, rumors are starting to circulate that Volkswagen could revive the legendary Type 3 Fastback. And if this modern interpretation is anything close to reality, it might become one of the most exciting retro-inspired cars of the decade. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, a rumored modern revival blending classic heritage with cutting-edge technology. And trust me, this one might surprise you.
Starting with the front, the 2026 Type 3 Fastback keeps one of the most recognizable features from the original car, the round headlights. But now, they're modernized with advanced LED projector technology and a sleek halo daytime running light. The front fascia is extremely clean and minimalistic, something Volkswagen has been known for, with a smooth body panel replacing the traditional grille. A subtle VW badge sits proudly in the center, giving the car a premium yet understated look. Move to the side profile, and this is where the design truly shines. The long, sloping, fastback roofline flows smoothly into the rear, giving the car a sporty coupe silhouette that feels both timeless and modern. The wide stance and low ride height add a performance-oriented attitude, while the multi-spoke alloy wheels complete the retro-modern aesthetic. Then, at the rear, the design becomes even more futuristic. A full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the back, with the Volkswagen lettering integrated directly into the light strip. It's clean, modern, and unmistakably premium. Dual sport exhaust outlets and a subtle rear diffuser give the Type 3 Fastback just enough aggression without losing its classic elegance.
Step inside, and the interior is where modern technology meets classic simplicity. The cabin features a minimalist Volkswagen cockpit design, wrapped in warm brown premium leather and brushed aluminum trim. Front and center is a fully digital instrument cluster, displaying driving information with crisp graphics. Right beside it sits a floating infotainment touchscreen that controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The steering wheel carries a modern VW logo and a three-spoke design that feels sporty yet elegant. The center console is clean and uncluttered, featuring touch-sensitive controls and a compact electronic gear selector. But what makes this interior special is the atmosphere. Large glass areas and slim pillars create an open, airy feeling, giving drivers excellent visibility and a sense of connection with the road. Now let's talk about performance. While Volkswagen hasn't confirmed anything yet, rumors suggest the 2026 Type 3 Fastback could offer several powertrain options. The base model may feature a 1.5-liter turbocharged TSI engine, producing around 160 horsepower. A more performance-focused version could use a 2-liter turbocharged engine, delivering roughly 220 horsepower, and paired with either a 7-speed DSG automatic or a manual transmission. There's also speculation that Volkswagen might introduce a hybrid-assisted version, combining turbo power with electric efficiency. That could push total output close to 250 horsepower, while significantly improving fuel economy. If Volkswagen actually decides to produce this modern fastback, analysts estimate the starting price could land somewhere around $32,000 to $38,000 in the US market. That would position it as an affordable retro-inspired coupe, similar to how the Ford Mustang and Toyota GR86 appeal to enthusiasts. If it enters production, the 2026 Type 3 Fastback would likely compete with several popular sporty coupes, including Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, Mazda MX-5 Miata, Ford Mustang EcoBoost. But unlike those cars, the Type 3 would focus more on retro design, European elegance, and everyday usability. So the big question is, should Volkswagen bring the Type 3 Fastback back to life? With its retro-inspired styling, modern technology, and affordable performance, this car could easily become a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors. And if Volkswagen really builds something like this, it might just become the coolest retro comeback of the decade. But what do you think? Would you drive the new 2026 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback if it became real? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy automotive rumors, future car concepts, and next-generation designs, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.